Hey, Liz here from Pilates with Liz. We're doing the last exercise of the ab series. 5 exercises in the ab series. The last one, the 5th one, is crisscross. We've just done lower lift, hugging the knees into the chest. Take your hands, sticking the fingers over fingers to the back of your skull or nape of your neck, lifting your head and shoulders up off the mat. Take your legs to tabletop. The right leg comes in towards the nose and the left leg comes up. As we go for 3, 2, 1, and then for 1, and we switch over to the other side. 3, 2, 1, and switch. 3, 2, 1, switch, and keep going. 3, 2, 1. The key is as you're coming up into the center, you're not going all way back down onto your neck. You're staying up in the center. And think about armpit towards knee. Armpit towards knee. You're pulling the abs in and up as you change position. And the legs are brushing that midline as you go around. Let's do one more to the right. And last one to the left. Come back to center, hug those knees in. Hands underneath knee creases and rock up. And that was crisscross, the last exercise in the ab series.